All right, if you have a 2006, any kind of Dodge Ram from 2000 to 2010 and on up, and you got a no-click, nothing. When you turn it over, it does nothing. I'm finna save you a lot of money right now. Took it to the dealership, and they're talking that it's my fuse box, it's the starter relay. They was confused their damn self. The problem was, I just bought a brand new starter, out the box and everything. Sometimes the auto parts store can give you bad starters, even if it's out the box. So just go have them tested again. It'll save you a lot of money and time. Installed the new one. They gave me a new one. Installed it. It fired right up. All right. If this helped you, like and subscribe. I got more videos coming up with more diagnostics for Dodge Ram.